Hi, welcome to Cooper&Hunter, and today we're going to be installing a portable AC. If your window has a gap at the bottom, you might need to fit it with a piece of wood, like we did. Now we're ready to fit the window panel to the window. Insert it and slide it open. You'll need to make sure the circular holes are now blocked. Mark the panel for reference on where to cut it. Now that it's fitted, insert the panel and twist the screw to secure it. Next, we'll attach the hoses. You'll need to expand the end of the hoses a few notches before attaching the connector. Twist the hoses until they clip into place. Now you can expand the hoses and connect them to your portable AC. Each hose slides into place from the outer edge of the unit. Don't forget to adjust the knob once they are in place. Now you're ready to plug it in. So here you have your control panel. From here you can start up the unit. On this side you have your LED control. You press it, LED light turns off. Here you have your temperature adjuster, so you can raise it up or lower it down. As you're gonna see, the display itself shows you the actual temperature in the room once it's done adjusting the temperature to whatever you have set it to. As you can see, it's 71. Here you can adjust the fan speed from low, high, medium, low again. This button right here will adjust your modes. Right now we have it on cool mode, then we have it on dry mode. Dry mode basically just pushes humidity out. Then we have fan / heating. So for the heating, you just press it one more time. It's gonna turn red. The unit's now heat mode. Now for the timer feature. If you have the unit running, whenever you set the timer feature, let's say you put 4 hours. The unit will stay running for 4 hours. After 4 hours, it will shut off. Now, if we have the unit off, you can press the timer feature and we can set it on to, for example, 6 hours. The unit will stay off for 6 hours. After 6 hours, it will automatically turn on. You will know the timer is set when the LED light is illuminated. You can control all the same features with the remote. The remote bracket should be installed on the back of the unit. When this light is illuminated, that means you have to drain out your water pan. Unclip and remove the hoses for easier access. When you're installing the unit, you have the option to connect a drain hose. The drain hose should be angled down so it can drain with gravity. You also have the option to drain the unit manually from the bottom port. When you unplug this, water will automatically start flowing out. When it's time to clean the filters, you can remove it from here, wash them thoroughly with water. If you'd like to put the portable away without uninstalling it, you can use the provided covers to close the holes of the window panel. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.